Horn. All right, welcome. So today I'm going to be installing an air horn in my 2019 Ford F-350. It already has an air system already installed, and at the time I just didn't have enough time to go ahead and put the air horn in. And I didn't really know exactly how I was going to put it, if I wanted to tie it into the horn on the steering column, or if I wanted to put a button, and I think I have a pretty good solution for that. Thanks for joining. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And then hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I drop a new video. Alright, so a while back I installed this air compressor into the back of the truck. I just put it inside of a box in the back of the truck. I had it mounted up underneath the side frame underneath here. But I decided to put it inside of a container so keep it dry and keep it safe. And today I'm going to be installing this. I'm going to be tapping right into that outlet right there. This, put in a standard little, I'm going to put this in there, run the line, and I'll run it down underneath somewhere and mount it inside. This all wrapped here against the frame. Maybe pretty good. Maybe slightly forward like this. Not coming off right there. Supposed to say that, right? Alright, so now we're going to wire up the solenoid. It's got two wires coming off the back. Simply going to strip those two wires. Then we're going to take our other two wires are coming from the battery and the upfitters, or I'm sorry, a ground and an upfitter switch. All right, so what we're gonna be using is these, what are they called? Solder and seal connectors. They're on Amazon, you can search for them. It's like a solder connection, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what name that is, but there you go. You can search for that on Amazon. And what they are is these little connectors. You've probably seen ads for these, and if you haven't, now you will. That's how Amazon works, right? So they're basically going to be thrown on. We're gonna put on some I'm gonna heat shrink this as well, just as an added protection, since this is underneath where the wheel well is at and everything. I want to be able to protect it as much as possible, so I'm going to put these little heat shrinks on, and we'll heat shrink those as soon as we're done as well. So this basically just slides over the wire like this. Jeez. There we go. Squish them together like that, so that the solder is right in the middle. Like that. And then we're going to put this little heat shrink on top. Like that. we have it. Both the little wires are all nice and secure. That way no kind of water or any kind of dirt or anything can get inside these connections. And just got to wrap this up somewhere and get it out of the way so it doesn't interfere with anything. And we are good to go. And then all I did was find a good path for the wires to run up along the frame. I just followed another group of wires all the way to the front. And then I had them come up right down through here and then into a wire protector, and then routed it right along the top up here over to the upfitter switches. So I chose to go with upfitter number 2. It's very simple. I use these little heat shrink connectors, and then the ground wire, I just stuck it down here onto a already placed ground. So this is the auxiliary 1 is for the pump, the air compressor, sorry. So you'll hear that come on. And then number 2 is for the horn. I don't want to do it too loud, but that's the horn auxiliary 2. So it works. Once this is at full capacity, I can just leave this on and then I can use this for my horn. It is just an on-off, which I kind of like that. It's more of a, it kind of feels like a trucker, I guess. I don't know. I would like to have a button or tied into the actual horn at some point, but because this is horn. It's really loud. All right, thanks for watching. And as always, I am not an expert at this. I don't know all the state laws and every aspect of it. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If I don't answer them, somebody else that's a lot smarter than me will answer those questions for you. Please give the video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that you'll also get notified when I post more videos. Thanks for watching.